Hello everyone, this is a Craftsman utility sharpener. This is my grandfather's and he's had this for a few years, but it stopped working recently. Whenever you turn it on forwards or reverse, it just hums. Now these are actually belt drive and you can still buy the belts for them, so this should be a pretty simple fix. I've taken this apart before and cleaned out all the old belt stuff. Not like a cassette player where the belts turn to goop, just kind of crumble to dust. So there's going to be 4 screws here on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just take those 4 out and the top and bottom come apart. Okay, I got the 4 screws out and now the top comes off. Now the cord is still attached to the switch, so it has to hinge off of the side. And this is where those belts go. There's going to be one here and one here. So this wheel will have to be removed in order to put the belts on. So how this wheel gets removed is with a screwdriver on one side and then use a wrench to hold down that nut. Okay, so I got the wheel back on. One thing I would like to mention is that there are 2 washers on the inside here and they do have a tendency to fall out. It's not super difficult to get it all lined up, but it is something to look out for, as well as there is a washer over here. Alright, so I'm going to put this all back together and then we'll test it out. It's all back together now and I'll turn it on forwards. As you can see now, the grinding wheel spins. And reverse. Alright, that is all for now. Thank you for watching.